You guys know I like an easy breakfast. I like everything easy, but every now and then I do a big breakfast, something hearty. And this morning it's going to be sausage, potatoes, and an egg in the cast iron skillet on the campfire. I'm slicing the potato in about 1/4 inch wide pieces. That way they'll cook in about 10 minutes on a medium fire. It's just me this morning, so one small potato is going to do it. I'm not adding onions and mushrooms. Sometimes I do, but not this time. I put some oil in to start with, but I'm going to add butter a little later. Dry cleaning. That's how I get things done around here. So I'll put the sausage and the potatoes in together because I'm guessing it'll take about 10 minutes for both on medium heat. So adding some Goya adobo to the potatoes. All seasoned. All-purpose seasoning. Let the cooking begin. Well, it's time to add some butter. Oh my goodness. Right. Okay. Making room for an egg now. just showing you how I do it. I know not everybody likes their egg halfway scrambled. So is anybody wondering how I run my laptop and edit my videos in the evening if I never plug into electricity? Well, I'll show you. So I'm using a inverter, 1,000 watts. And what it does is change DC automotive current 12 volt. I'm using an inverter, which is a device that changes automotive current 12 volt DC into house current AC, and I keep it in the cab of the truck plugged into the cigarette lighter, and then I charge things from that. I'll show you, come on. So this is the inverter, this little red box right here, and it is plugged into the cigarette lighter, and it is producing 1,000 watts of house current. Then I have an extension cord plugged into it and running through the back windows of the cab. During the day when I'm on the road, of course, I'm charging my iPhone and battery chargers. There's battery chargers run on the inverter as well. So here's where the cord comes through the back window of the truck, and my Mac laptop is plugged into that, and right now my iPhone is at 100%. It's charging off the computer. So there's a 12 volt battery on board with the camper. I call it the house battery, and I run the lights with that and the furnace. Actually, I ran the furnace this morning to warm up when I got out of bed because it got kind of cold last night. So the refrigerator, of course, runs on propane, as does the kitchen range. So I'm good. Wow, pretty out there.